Right. Next one is the preparation of chemical properties. Sorry, preparation of amines, not chemical properties. Okay. Right. Preparation of amines. How to prepare of amines? So amines are derivatives of ammonia. We already discussed that one. Amines are all are derivatives of ammonia. So from the ammonia uh, we get the primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. So how we get, look at here, here in the ammonia, there three hydrogens are there. In that place of three hydrogens, maybe one hydrogen substituted by the one alkyl group, that is the primary amine. If two hydrogens are substituted there, that is secondary amine. This is secondary amine. And maybe the three hydrogens are substituted by the alkyl groups, that is we call the tertiary amine. So these are the amines. Amines are derivatives of the ammonia, derivatives of the ammonia. Now let us go. Today I will go for the Gabriel synthesis. From the Gabriel synthesis, we have to prepare amines. What do you prepare? Amines prepare. So look at here, how to prepare of amines. First of all, listen. In the Gabriel synthesis, we only prepare primary amines only. Primary amines only we prepare. That is the first point. Here, involvement of components. Which components here? This is the reactant of phthalimide. This is the phthalimide. When phthalimide react with alkyl halide, I am take the RX in the presence of base. In the presence of base, when phthalimide react with, this is a phthalimide. When phthalimide react with the alkyl halide, in the presence of base, we get primary amines. We get the primary amines. And here, phthalic acid also forming. This is the phthalic acid. Now this is the reaction of which one? Gabriel synthesis. So when you treated with the phthalimide with the alkyl halide in the presence of base, we getting primary amines. I go for the mechanism, how it is forming this primary amines with the reaction with alkyl halide and potassium hydroxide. Mechanism, look at here. Now I take this is a phthalimide, right? Now C double bond O, this is a C double bond O. Here is a NH. Look at here. Now compared to the carbon, the nitrogen electronegativity is more. So that bond of electrons in between the hydrogen and nitrogen shifting to the nitrogen side. Now first of all it is react with the potassium hydroxide. Right, here is a hydroxide, from here is the H plus. Remove water molecule. They remove water molecule. And what will be there here remain? These are benzene, C double bond O. This is also C double bond O, N, K. K is the plus, N is the minus. So that name is potassium phthalimide. Here is a potassium now. That's why potassium phthalimide. When it's reactive with the potassium hydroxide, it's forming of potassium phthalimide. Clear? Right now, when the potassium phthalimide, it may be reactive with the alkyl halide. I am using here alkyl halide in the next step. See here is the X is getting negative charge due to the halides are more electronegativity in that compared to the alkyl group, halogen is a more electronegativity. So the electrons are shifting to the halogen side. Now here is the negative of halide. This is the positive of the potassium forming KX. Remain what is there here? Now here forming of this like this name is I will now see first of all. This is C double bond O NR. This is a N alkyl phthalimide. Now alkyl group bonding with the nitrogen. So that's why it is a N alkyl phthalimide. Now this N alkyl phthalimide, now N alkyl phthalimide, when the N alkyl phthalimide, when the N alkyl phthalimide under the hydrolysis, look at here, I am taking 2 moles of water molecule, right? So these bond electrons shifting to nitrogen side. Here is also nitrogen side, right? Right. Now the nitrogen atom getting here is a 2 minuses because of their electronegativity compared to the carbon. Nitrogen is a more electronegativity, so that's why the nitrogen attract the electrons between the carbon and nitrogens. So here from the water molecules, we know already in that water molecule H plus ions and OH minus are there. Now H plus is bonding with the nitrogens, right? So finally, two hydrogens are coming to the nitrogen and forming bond between the nitrogen and hydrogen. So this is primary amine. I written in this reaction, the primary amine when the phthalimide react with the alkyl halide in the presence of base, that is here to look at here. Now the process, this one is the process of formation of primary amine. First it is react with the potassium hydroxide, they lose water molecule and forming potassium phthalimide. Now next one, now here is the carbon getting the positive, this of the carbon and this one also. Now there, now that one, take the hydroxide from the water, take the hydroxide from the water. Now when it is taken the hydroxide, it's formation of phthalic acid, that is the phthalic acid. So this is a preparation of amines. In the Gabriel synthesis, we only prepare primary amine. Here is not possible the preparation of secondary amine. We only prepare here is a possibility of primary amine only, not here suitable of secondary amine preparation or tertiary amine preparation. So remember and keep it in mind, right? This is the synthesis of primary amine by the using of Gabriel method. So, okay, write down. Okay, right. Next, preparation of, next one is the preparation of amine also. That is next one is the preparation of amine. From the method is Hoffman's bromide reaction. The method is Hoffman bromide reaction. From the Hoffman bromide reaction, here preparation of amines. Here is also same. Here the preparation of primary amines only is a possibility. Here is not possibility of secondary amine and tertiary amine. Clear? First here is the preparation of primary amine. Only is the possible in this reaction. Primary amines only possible. First see what is the reaction. Amides. For example, I am taking this on the CH3 C double bond O NH2. This is the amide. This is the acetamide. What is that? Acetamide. Okay. When acetamide react with the bromine, when acetamide react with the bromine, in the presence of potassium hydroxide, in the presence of potassium hydroxide, we get primary amine. For example, methyl amine. This is the primary amine. And here also removal of 2 moles of potassium bromide and plus potassium carbonate plus 2 moles of water molecule. Okay, right. This is a reaction of Hoffman bromide reaction. From the Hoffman bromide reaction, we have to prepare only. There is possibility only preparation of primary amides. It is not possibility of preparation of secondary amine and tertiary amine. Right now, mechanism. Now, how to go preparation of primary amine. Now here I am showing that CH3, C double bond O and H2. This is the amine. Clear? Now amine, first of all, it is reactive with the potassium hydroxide. Which one? Potassium hydroxide, KOH. Here, how many hydrogen there? 2 hydrogen. I am write the separately one hydrogen like this. This bond electron shifting to the nitrogen side. From here is a OH, loss of H2O. Right now it is reactive with, it is forming the C double bond O Na, potassium amide. This is a potassium amide. Now this potassium amide, here is one reactant is there, that is a bromine. Now the bromine, here I am separate the one negative of bromine, one is the positive of bromine. This positive of bromine bonding with the, here one again one hydrogen is there, no amma? Yes, one hydrogen is there. Right, the negative of bromine, sorry, positive of bromine bonding with the nitrogen. This negative and this positive minus KBr, right? Now remain what is there here? CH3, C double bond O, remain N. This is the Br, and here is the hydrogen. Clear? The bromine bonding with the nitrogen. Right, now next one, it is totally under the base condition. So now here basic medium. So that's why here again one hydroxide here from the hydrogen. This electron shifting to nitrogen side. So here CH3, C double bond O, N minus Br. Here minus H2O. Here partially the potassium is bonding with the nitrogen, not completely bonding with the nitrogen. Clear? Right. Now see here. Right. Next one. What's going here? Next step. Rearrangement. The next process going to the rearrangement. Now methyl group remove from that carbon negatively, take with go to the electron that by methyl group. Now carbon getting the positive charge. So this electron shifting to inside. Clear? Forming bond nitrogen and carbon double bond. Now this bromine is eliminated negatively. Minus Br is eliminated. Already in that here is a potassium is there now. Partially bonding now. That is Kbr is eliminated. Okay, simply. The methyl group is arrangement there. The group is arranged there in that molecule. First it is bonded with the carbon, and when it is involved in the rearrangement, the methyl group negatively going to the nitrogen side. I will start the bond with the methyl group with nitrogen, the methyl group bonding with the nitrogen, and that nitrogen bonding double bond between the carbon, and already it is first there. What is that? C double bond O. So we're getting this like of component. When it is under the hydrolysis, when go to the hydrolysis, we are adding of water molecule. Right now for the equation purpose, I will take in here 2 moles of for the balancing. That's why I'm taking 2 moles of water molecule. These 2 bonds shifting to the nitrogen side. We know already in that water molecule, there available of OH minus ions and positive ions. This positive of protons bonding with the methyl group. This is like CH3, the remain nitrogen taken hydrogens forming of methylamine. Now look at in that starting reaction. Their primary amine forming now. Yes, here is also primary amine. This name is the methyl amine. Amine. Remain what is here? This carbon getting the positive charges. Right, we know that. So here carbon take the hydroxides. Yes, take the hydroxide. We know very well. At one carbon, two hydroxides are unstable. Yes, unstable. Their loss of water molecule. Yes, remain what is remaining forming here? Carbon dioxide. Now this carbon dioxide when it is reactive with the this carbon dioxide, right? Now here carbon dioxide. Here is a potassium hydroxide as there. Again 2 moles of potassium hydroxide. Here involvement 2 potassium hydroxide. Here is one, there one. Here in the balancing reaction 4 moles of there. Here I'm using again 2 moles of potassium hydroxides. Look at here. Here I'm using 2 moles of potassium hydroxide. These react with the carbon dioxide. Now here formation of K2CO3, potassium carbonate plus from here is the water molecule H2O. Here 2 oxygens, here is a 2 oxygen 4, here is a 3, here is a 1. Totally this is the reaction of what is that? What is that? Preparation of primary amine. So when go for the following from this from the starting to from the ending this preparation of primary amine in that method of that the method is Hoffman's bromide reaction. In the Hoffman's bromide reaction we only prepare primary amine when the amides are treated with the bromine in the presence of base. Now their formation of primary amines only. So this is the reaction. Write down. Okay, right. Right. Next one, preparation of amide by the reduction of amides. For example, I'm take the amide. This is the amide. So when in the presence of lithium aluminum hydrate, these amides are converted to the primary amines. For example, here CH2 and H2. This is a ethyl amine. This name is the ethyl amine. This is a reduction of amides. When the amides are turned to the primary amines under the reduction. Okay, right.